Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana right here on the IC markets chart. Right now I'm using a demo account, but it works exactly the same for a real account, because right now what we're gonna do is click here on the cross and search right here for Sol. Then right now you will see Solana versus US dollar, so we click on that chart and now we are having here the Solana versus US dollar chart. Then there's one thing that we need to do, and that is click here on new order, and then everything will follow from here, because first of all we select right here the order type, so market execution is fine. Then after that select here the volume that we want to step in with, so we want to buy 2 Solana. And then after that what we're gonna do is we click here on stop loss or take profit. If you want to create a take profit or a stop loss, you can decide if you want to do that. And then just click here on buy by market. And now we just created a 2 Solana position right here. So this is how you can buy Solana on IC markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.